pick that up and start reeling. Get him. There you go. Oh my. That's something. Oh, what is this? I don't like it. I think it's a weirdo fish. Yep.
Damn.
You took my live mullet. Oh. You took my live mullet. How dare you? It's a healthy hardhead.
Yeah.
Dang it.
One little stinky.
Got excited for no reason. For a friggin' swimming turd.
You want another one or no?
Thinking about it, I'm thinking.
I vote move.
You wanna move?
I vote move.
Where are we moving?
I
think we got a decent trout on the cork. Woo! He ain't bad. I just don't know if he's a keeper. He's gotta be 15 inches here in the state of Minnesota. He's gonna scratch it. He's gonna scratch it. Oh,
Oh, I got something on mine.
I just put juju on yours. You ain't never gonna get a bite again. Oh yeah. 15 and a quota. And a quota. Threw him right on the chips.
Good.
Give him a little stank. Good Lord. Told you corks work. You didn't believe me. You thought they were garbage. I personally, did something just hit this croaker? I personally like to use corks in over 100 feet of water. I set it about 10 inches deep, maybe 2 inches. See that tip? See that point? I called it a tip almost. I seen that. There's a fish right there. You do what you got to do. The world's your oyster. You got to, I don't know why it's starting to stick. You got to click it over with your hand. Oh, there's a bite on my pokey. There's one. What is that? Nice trout. Boat's coming. Got to get him in quick. Nice trout.
Nice.
We're going to hide him for a second, act like nothing happened.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what. Just act like nothing's happening. Just, look at the scenery. Check it out. No, but for real. That's a decent trout. Here. Oh, yep. Pick that up and start reeling. Get him. There you go. Oh my. What was that, shark? It's big. He's probably coming at you.
Right.
Y'all, she just took something big, and the boat's coming right at us. He's on there. Real. He's coming at you.
Yeah.
What is that? It gotta be a shark.
I don't know.
It's gotta be.
Yep.
Yep, shark. I knew he'd be here. Little Leroy.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the boat.
Don't let him. Yeah, don't let him go on the motor. Just keep him right there. Let him dangle.
Okay.
Just chill.
You flip-flopped into the motor, you saw?
This boat's gonna come right at us.
Oh, look at him. Look at him coming right at us.
He jumped straight out the water.
Yeah, he did.
Check him out.
Beautiful. He's jumpy.
I really want to get this hook back.
Right.
I'll get him. I don't know.
Okay.
I just don't want him to take off and cut my hands.
Right. Yay. Ah.
Guy, he splashed out the water.
Yeah, he did.
Can you lift your pole up?
Yeah. That was fun.
He's not hook bad. I'll tell you that much. You just gotta figure out how to get him in the boat. Oh, he's so freaking annoying.
You want me to stand up here and you can throw him down on the bottom part?
I'm gonna fuck him right in the back here.
Okay.
If I can, without messing my hand up. Like that. Yes. Don't bite my hose. You'll bite that.
Yeah.
Be
Oh
over.
God.
No gas.
Dang, he's jumpy.
Give him a minute.
Yeah.
Let him get acquired to being all out of the water.
Get acquired. Get acquainted.
You're gonna keep the hook, but it's gonna come out.
Yeah. All right,
There's
buddy
your
boy. Nice.
Alrighty.
Nice little shark. Okay.
I'm waiting for that pole to just shoot in the water. I've seen it many a times. Oh my God. There goes the big pogey.
Oh my goodness. Oh,
We're all getting hit. We're all getting hit. This one's got something crazy on it right now. Did you let him go? Told you something was gonna. I knew something would grab him.
Yeah.
I think he.
Called that.
Yeah, he dropped him.
Huh. Who called that? Wow.
Felt heavy. I don't know what it was.
Mine got a big old flap.
I seen yours.
Stopped.
Yeah. This mullet's just dangling, having his best life
Yeah.
with a hook in him.
This one got a little tug, but it seems like it let go.
I swear this one just got thumped. Oh, okay. Something's thumping this croaker, I think. I'm not even sure anymore. It's right here by the boat though, which I don't like. Oh. Oh. What's going on here? He's active, huh?
Flim flams, yeah.
It's so stressful. That something's messing with that mullet.
Yeah.
Or looking at him. I think they're eye to eye.
Yeah. That's the spar.
Fight it out. Fight it out. Oh my gosh.
What?
What is going on here? Is it a gaff top? Something. Alright, I have a world record pogey on here, y'all. It's about 4-pound pogey, and I think a gaff top ate him.
Let that fall over.
What is this? It's fighting like a weirdo. I bet you it's a gaff top. Yep. Oh, you big stinker.
Uber.
You ain't worth that pogey. I don't know. I'm just don't know what to even do with myself right now. Got me fluffed up. How y'all like gaff top fishing in 4K? That's what we're doing. That's all it came down to nowadays. Jeez, I almost got screwed. About to have to go lure it up.
I was thinking about that too.
Just hit the rocks and start winding in crankbaits.
That's fine.
Your mullet's going out to sea. Like he's way over there now. What's going on? I hooked that fish right in the thickest part of his head.
I saw you do it.
And it just flies off the hook. Who knows? It's magic. There he is.
Okay.
Nice trout. Nice trout. I ain't playing with you, son. Get in here.
Nice trout.
Yeah. Hi, guy. That's what I'm missing.
Oh, that's nice.
That's what I keep losing over there.
That's nice.
It's a good trout. They're a little skinny, but...
Dang.
Boom. There we go, guys. Nice little trout right there. He hit my mullet so fast. I got one mullet left.
Oh my goodness.
One mullet left. This pole's getting mollywopped.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I can't get it out. What is this? This ain't what it was earlier. This is dumb. Oh my gosh. This is not what I had earlier. Come here, gaff top. But you're a big one too. Big booty. Ah! Yeah. Ah. Ah. There we go. Get my line. Yeah. Got a fly biting me for some reason. Oh yeah. This is a good trip, y'all. Untangle. About right there. You just got to dangle. Actually.
Hey.
It was in his guts. All right.
All right.
I hate a gaff top. God, do I hate them. People are gonna tell you it's the best fish in the world.
People say that?
Yeah. No, they'll say it's so good though. No, it's not. I don't care what you say. Personally. But I'm old fashioned. I've been known to eat a raccoon ankle.
You know what you got next to you? Some old fashioned buttercream frosting. And that tub there. The label on it, it's old fashioned.
Buttercream frosting?
Yeah, it used to be a giant vat of buttercream.
Oh, is that what that is?
Yep.
Dang.
Stick your head in there.
That's my kind of stuff. Oh my gosh.
Something big.
Huge. She'll let me eat it. Couldn't get my pole out of my rod holder. You broke my line? Yes, he did.
Gosh.
Oh my gosh. It's gotta be a shark. It's gotta be a shark.
Gotta be.
What'd you say?
Thought he had you bent
Yeah,
over.
he did.
Oh. Oh my god.
It's about a 10-pound red.
I'm sorry, baby. Sounded big.
He was massive. He was the biggest, fattest, juiciest red I've ever seen in my life. Oh my god. That was the fish I wanted. I would have been happy if I caught him, but no. You gotta get off. I don't like this hook. Record a video. Here we go, y'all. It's been absolutely horrendous out here, but we've caught about 7 of these so far. I caught 2, Mary caught like 7. That equals 7, right? But yeah, it's pretty. The only big red I hooked on this spinner bait, he got off right at the boat and he was about 10 pounds. Mary snagged right now as we speak. I'm trying to catch this fish real quick. Got a little Timmy. Hey Timmy. Howdy. Where's your uncles and your cousins, bro? I'm about to hit rock bottom. Pretty guy. One 10-pound red. And then the rest were, no, I'm talking about that one. Just one 10-pound red and like the rest are babies. We got another rat red. His name is Little Fred. Hey, he just spit a freaking minnow on me and got me filthy. You sicko. Y'all check out what he spit on me. Well, I ain't touching it, never mind. It's a big blob of mess, that's all it really is. Hit me right in the belly button. Have to dig that out later. Alright. I'm tired of this. I need a real one. Hey, we got ourselves a
20-pounder.
giant trout here. I want to say he's at least 5 pounds. And he just burped. Or he grunted, but it sounded like a burp. We got a couple little trout here. I already had 3 bites. Right in the middle. On the bottom. And I'm just twitching. I'm just twitching it along. And we're about to catch another one real quick, just to show y'all I know what I'm talking about. Like right there. That's a big one. Look at my pole. That's a snag. Oh. All right, back at it again. Here we go. I caught a trout on the Extreme Bait Company lure. Got to give a shout out to them. It's a good little lure. And we got to keep the trout. We're just going to throw them in that bucket. I got no tail, so I don't have a story to tell, but I will catch a fish without this tail. Watch this. Watch this. This is jig time, baby. I have no idea what my camera recorded. Ding-a-ling. Come on. I like this spot. There's always a couple trout. Always a trout or two. Dang. You look like a freaking snake. Boy, you're dropping nuts. What y'all know about that crawfish they caught in Arabi? Arabi's by Chalmette, ain't it?
Yep.
Yeah. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. I'm trying to get us some food together, man. This has been a struggle. We're gonna eat some trout tonight. And a trout that I got on my lure.
You can make trout salad.
Oh, lost him. You didn't even know I had one, huh?
No.
He was just flopping.
Yeah.
He wasn't big.
Your face is covered.
Ah,
Other than that,
you need a jig on. There's some fish here.
I do. Maybe I should.
Yeah, I would put a jig on there. Well, you can. I think you can get a couple here. You tied the knot on that one, didn't you? So you must have did a good job. I mean, you didn't fight anything heavy, but
No.
nothing happened yet.
But I'm good. Yeah, I think it's fine.
Come on, big trout.
I got the sharks going. Look at me. I hope the wind takes that thing to myself.
I mean, you got a cutter on your button, so you're ready.
I'm ready to go.
You're ready for war. God, my shirt slapped the butt of my rod, and I almost set the hook so hard.
You did?
I'm reflecting. Oh, there's something decent. What is this? I snagged the trout. Snagged him under his jaw. Y'all, Mary don't even watch me catch fish no more. She just ignores me. Like when I'm bowling, she doesn't even watch my shots. I'm trying to get this fish off the hook, but he's just, God, he's chunky. I wish he was a keeper. He ain't no keeper. He's nice. He's nice.
It's like a leopard looking.
You gotta be.
Kind of funky. Is that okay?
Oh, hold on. Let me do that for you.